The all-new and exclusive high-performance Roadster is the return of one of motoring's most famous names. With a clean sheet design, the AC Cobra GT Roadster is a cutting-edge modern sports car, produced using the latest technology and engineering processes, yet it remains faithful to the spirit of the original AC Cobra from the 1960s. A highly accomplished and usable GT sports car, the new model shares no components with the original yet is instantly recognizable. Once again powered by the V8 petrol engine, but this time delivering up to 654 horsepower and 575 pound-feet of torque. That power goes to the rear wheels through either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. Saddled with approximately 300 pounds, AC Cars says the GT Roadster can reach 62 mph in 3.4 seconds. Flat out, the roofless Roadster will reach 173 mph. AC Cars says the GT Roadster is road legal and currently available for order to buyers around the world.